Hello everyone, welcome to our course. Today is lesson 2, Preparation in Advance Part 1. In this lesson, we will learn something about project research and segmentation and selection of target groups. First, project research. Project research should follow the principle of scientific nature, complexity, and value. Project research refers to the process of systematically collecting, analyzing, and reporting project information in a certain social environment. In order to make correct decisions, project planning must accurately grasp the actual problems and needs of target groups through project research, so that the project is established on a solid and reliable basis. Only through scientific project research can reduce the uncertainty of the project, make the decision more grounded, and thus reduce the risk of project planning. And then, project research includes the target group, project, beneficiaries, and stakeholders, and problems. The target group includes characteristic and demand. Project includes accessibility, development potential, feasibility and planning direction, implementation of similar charity projects. Beneficiaries and stakeholders include who and what they demand, what need we pay attention. Problems include the root of problems and how can we solve it. Then, the procedures of project research. The procedures of project research mainly include determining the research object, determining the research goal, determining the research plan, implementing the research plan, and writing the research report. The research report, as a summary of the whole research work, needs to focus on the findings of the report and put forward the conclusions and recommendations of the investigators. If there is a sponsor, the project research report can also be used for reference by the funding side when making decisions. Then, segmentation and selection of target groups. First, delimit the subdivision scope. Delimit the subdivision scope. This mainly refers to defining the overall scope of the project and which region to subdivide it. Then, determine subdivision basis. Determine subdivision basis. Subdivision basis is a basic standard used to subdivide the target group. If it refers to the main factors that affect the group's demand for a product or activity, including demographic factors like gender, age, income, etc., psychological factors, geographical factors, etc. Third, trade-off segmentation variables. Subdivision variables, also known as a subdivision scope, are the specific elements constituting the basis of subdivision and the analysis unit used to analyze the degree of demand difference of target groups. Fourth, carry out project investigation. This refers to the investigation of target groups within the subdivision range to obtain first-hand data and relevant information. Fifth, evaluate subdivision objects. This refers to the evaluation and analysis of the needs of each subdivided group and the solvability of the problem according to the information obtained from the survey. The most commonly used method is to comprehensively consider relevant factors according to the weighted average method. Finally, select target group. Through the analysis and evaluation, it may be found that there are often more than one target group suitable for intervention, but the resources and service capacity of charitable organizations are limited. Therefore, charitable organizations can choose target groups according to certain standards. Even in the future, design multiple projects at different stages to gradually solve the multiple problems faced by the target group. But in my mind, as for the selection of target groups, the methods mentioned above are too detailed. They are mainly used by people who have multiple target groups and cannot determine the final choice, or want to do a very good job in this public welfare project. So it's no need for most of your guys to do like this. So that's all. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.